Okay. Good morning, Pute. Yes. Good morning. Okay. Okay, sit. Yes. Okay, sit. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about this note. I think you already written in the yesterday. Okay. If you didn't written, I give you 5 minutes of time. Please write down that one again. Until that one, I will discuss this one. Okay. So here, uh, we already wrote this one. No? Yesterday we didn't write this. So sorry. I take mistakenly. Sorry. I take. Okay. Sorry. Yesterday we written this one, no? If you didn't written this one in the yesterday, please write down this one. I give some time. Please write down. While you are writing, I will explain about that one. Okay. Don't make any noise. Okay. Look at it. Yesterday we discussed how to search on the internet. How to search something. You have to use what? A browser for searching something. You can use browser for searching something. So we use internet to find information. So Google is the tool that help us for searching something. Okay. We use internet. Okay. We use internet to find information. So Google is the tool that help us to search something. Google is the tool that help us to search something. Okay. To search better, we have to type some keyword. I will show that one. That's most important thing. You have to get a better result. Okay. When you wanted to get better result, you have to use keywords. What are the keywords? You have to use keyword, important words. Example, planets, animal with anything else. Okay. If you wanted to find about planet, you can write the planet name. If you wanted to write about Earth, write about the place, you have to type that place or write about that details. So use inverted commas to find exact word. That means inverted comma, something like that. I wanted to find solar system. When something is speaking thing, that quotation marks. Okay, something like a quote. For that one, we can use inverted comma and use define to find meaning of a word. You can use define to find meaning of a word. Example, define computer. So these tips are very important. So these tips help you find to very informed to looking something very easily. Okay. Please write down this thing firstly. I give 2-3 minutes of time again. If you didn't write on yesterday, we will can write right now. Okay. Please write down quickly. I give some time. Yes, write it down. Write it. Okay. Like that, we can write down. Yes. Okay, so we can write down the details. How to search on the internet. So we use internet to find information. Google is a tool that helps us to search something. No? Google, we are using Google for search something. To search better, you can use keyword, something like important words. Example with planet, animal, weather, something like words. And we can use inverted comma to find exact word, something like solar system. And also we can use define for find out the meaning of word, something like define computer. If you wanted to get the definition of computer, you can take define. So these tips help you find what you're looking for very easily. Okay, so I will show how to search something using internet. So as previously I said, you can use Google for search something. Okay, as a tool in the browser, you can use Google. I will take my browser, that Google Chrome. Okay, so when you go using Google Chrome, look at it, just look at it. Okay, I will sharing again note. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I will sharing again that note. First of all, tell me if you wanted to get detail in the Google, you can just type and search it up something. If you wanted to search about if you wanted to search about some historical place, planet or anything, you can type that important thing. Okay, if I type in like Sigiri, look at it. When you press enter, it's loading. And after that one, it's loading about details in Sigiri. You can see a lot of pictures. Yes, you already know these things, I guess. You're familiar with searching something with the Google, no? You are familiar with AI, artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT. You're familiar with Google. Yes, like that one, you can, if you wanted to search something, you can use, you can write that keyword and they are having some option. If I click on images, you can see there are loading lot of images that are related to Sigiri. If I wanted to find videos, there are loading lot of video links, videos related to Sigiri. The short videos, news, maps, Google Maps, shopping area, more. All of details can be mocked with the that association the Sigiri. So if you wanted to find details, something like that, you can just type that keyword and you can find it. Okay, you can find it. Like that, we can find some details. Okay, and also if we wanted to, if I go back to Google, we can use inverted comma. If I take inverted comma like solar system, okay, I type solar system. You can see there are mentioned what is the solar system. Uh, what is solar system? If I increase the solar system is gravitationally bound system, consists of sun and the other all object that planets around the sun, planets, moons, that asteroid and all the things are included in the what solar panel we calling as a solar system. Like that we can get some result. We can type within the inverted comma. Clear? We can type within the inverted comma. If I wanted to take definition, okay, so if I wanted to take definition, we can type as a define. What is define? Define colon double dot. If I type I wanted to define what is the environment. I write define environment. Okay, what is the meaning of environment? You can see if I type define environment, there are given dictionary meaning. The surrounding or conditions in which person, animal, plants lives or the operation. We are taking as the environment. Like that. The natural world as a whole or particular geographical area, especially as affected by human activity, such that things we are taking as environment. So such that details we are taking as environment. Okay. We can define something like that. We can define something like that. Okay. So like that we can include some details, definitions. Okay. Like that we can get some details about that things. Okay. So you can use Google tool using a web browser. Okay. They are having many things. Okay. Like that we can search. We can use inverted comma, we can use keyword importantly, and we can use define word like that. Okay, can you write down them? Please write down. Take time, okay? I give little time. I think almost you all of you write down these things, no? Okay, write down, right? Yes. Please write down quickly. Okay, quickly write. Don't make noise. Right. Okay, write down. Yes. How to search something on the internet. So they are having many browsers. Like what? They are having Google Chrome. They are having Microsoft what? Microsoft Edge browser, Mozilla Firefox. Yeah, many browsers. Okay. So normally in inside browser they are having some tools. We are using that tools with that with browser. they are having some tools. We are using the tools inside the browser, like keyword Google, like what? Uh, Google, other words, something like what? Something with Google. Sometimes they are using Yahoo, such that they are having several keywords. Okay. So several tools you have to use them. Okay. Okay, like that one you can use what? Keyword with E. Okay. Okay, like that you can write down what you can take the several keywords. Okay. And with several tools also. Okay. Please write down this. Okay, you can write like that. Okay, there are having several keyword. You can use inverted commas and you can use define word like that. They are having many methods that can be used for searching something. No? Yes. Okay. So as previously I did, after that all you can use your search engine. That's Google, it may be Yahoo, something like that. You can use them. In Google, you can use Google search. In Yahoo, you can use Yahoo search there. Like that, they are having several tools inside that one. Okay. So basically, lot of us familiar with the Google. Okay. Yes. We are familiar with the Google and search is something with the Google process. Yes. Okay, right. Yes. Okay. These are things actually I wanted to tell about this one. Okay. Like that one, you can search something and you can browse something using your browsers. Okay. Check it at home. Okay. So I think you got already write these things, no? So I will wind out the session for today. So I will stop for today. So we will discuss other thing on the next day. Okay. You can do your workbook also. Please do that one. We will continue that one on the next days. Okay. So I will wind out. So see you on next day. Okay. So good morning all. See you. Okay. Good morning. Bye.